Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off stolen device protection in your iPhone without Face ID. So guys, when you try to remove stolen device protection or when you try to turn off and you need to use your Face ID, I will help you how can you turn off without Face ID. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back and now you need to open your settings. After this, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and now you need to go back. So guys, the most effective method and 100% workable method is you need to click on Face ID and passcode. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and now guys, you need to scroll it below, and here you will see the option of reset Face ID. Simply you have to click on it, and after this your Face ID will be removed from your iPhone and from all the tools. And guys, after removing your Face ID, simply you have to scroll it down and automatically your stolen device protection will turn off. If not, you need to turn it off manually, and after this there is no need to use your Face ID. So guys, this is the way. If this is not working, then go back and you need to open your Apple Support app and you need to contact with your Apple Support team and you have to tell your problem and they will fix your problem. And guys, if both of these methods are not working for your iPhone, then you need to contact with your iPhone with your laptop or PC. And guys, after connecting your iPhone with laptop or PC, you need to open iTunes store or iTunes app in your laptop or PC, and you need to restore your iPhone to default. And after doing this, your iPhone settings will be default and your stolen device protection will be removed through iTunes. So guys, these are the way. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.